Max Payne 309. Yeah, looking a little different, ain't I? As you can see, I started dreadlocks. I had long hair already, like it was down to here, but it was processed, and I'm gonna go and get some locks. Now I've been locked for about 6 months. You know what I mean? I started 6 months ago and then locked within like 90 days, but it really didn't just lock now. You know what I'm saying? And I just took it out of braids. That's why it's sticking up. Usually it sticks up anyway though. I don't know what kind of hair I got. Grade B, C, Z, 12. I don't know that stuff. But my hair don't lay down. I got some straight up African hair. Even though the coil pattern ain't that tight. But yeah, I don't know. But this is what it looks like before. And as you can see, I've already started. But I just remembered to even record it. I'm like, man, people might want to see this, but this is my journey. I only had it for 6 months. Like I said, it was down on my shoulders, but I cut a lot of it because it wasn't growing. And you know what I mean? That's just facts. It wasn't growing. Excuse what I look like. I just woke up. It wasn't growing. So I said, man, I'm really going to lock it up. You know what I mean? So this is what it looks like now, 6 months in. Like I said, I cut a lot of length off. And this is what I left. This is what the natural hair looked like. And what I'm doing today is I'm dyeing it. Yeah, already, because I'm bored. And what I'm gonna dye it is jade. Yeah, I know that's probably not like a popular color for dudes or whatever, but you know what I mean? I'm good. But this is the color I want, man. I didn't want red, everybody got red. I didn't want blue, everybody got blue. Gold is brown on its own. So that's what it was before. And yeah, I cut that out. And it's all black now, but we finna go Jasmine Jade in this jump. You know what I mean? So I'm finna come back to you. I'm finna section it all off like I already started. I'm finna section it all off. And as soon as I do that, I'll be right back at you. What it do, people? It's your boy Max Payne 309. Yeah, we back. We back. And that's what it look like sectioned off. I know it's a lot of sections, but my hair ain't that long. I don't want to miss nothing, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to miss nothing. I've been in that gym a little bit. Hurt my goddamn self, can't even go right now. Man. This is what it looks like right now. So now, I'm going to take Quick Blue, which don't even ask me why I bought this humongous tub, because I thought that's the only thing they had. I should have asked questions. But I got this, and I got some 30 developer. 30 developer, I got some 40 developer. And from YouTube, from what I've learned, you mix this with this in an equal amount, and then you apply. So, and then you dye. And that's what I'm gonna do. So, I'm finna be right back at you. My battery ain't very long on these, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show the whole process of me putting all this shit on, but I'm gonna try my hardest to do so. So yeah, we'll be back, and we'll see how this turns out. Yeah. Alright people, I decided just to record me doing everything, so got 2 bowls, excuse the ghetto-ness, but every time I got mix bowls or whatever they're supposed to be, right? I know y'all saying, why don't you have somebody who knows what they doing and do it? Because don't nobody care about me. Then 2 screws. Excuse this black spot. It's a blackhead I tried to get out and I turned it into a blue. So, excuse me. I'm not going to do quick blue, 2 screws. That thing goes right, but any commentator who has made coaching and the leader of the team. And so, you look at the Celtics, Danny Ainge, Brad Stevens, Kyrie Irving is the leader of the team. I think we'd all agree Danny Ainge is the GM. You got real. Y'all see it? I kind of see some color turning already. I'm gonna go get a bag. I'm gonna go get a bag and put it over. All right, I'll be back. What's good, people? Putting this bag on. I'm trying to put this damn bag on. We're gonna leave a timer. Try to hold the bag of this bitch up. We do got a timer, so what is it? 15 minutes? 15 minutes? How long? I'm doing 2, so let's do 15. There we go. And I'll check y'all back later. What it do, people? I'm back. And I actually went longer. I went about 30 minutes. I could smell it working, so I'm like, yo, it's probably time to check this shit. So here we go. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. I can't see the back, but yeah. Wow, that shit did work, didn't it? It did do what it was supposed to do. I don't even know if I want to dye it the color now. Shit, I'm supposed to be going jade, like this green. But this is lit right here. This is legit. Even got my roots a little bit right there. I wasn't supposed to do that. It'll grow out though. Alright, cool. So that's it. That's the look. That's the flex right there. Boom. What do you think? You think I should just leave it like this? I don't know. I'm not gonna dye this right now. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. Let it dry. Take all the rubber bands out and see how this feels on me. All right, man. Yeah, that's it. Using the quick blue. I used 2 scoops though, and then I used the whole 40 developer, and that was it, fam. That's what the back looking like. Hey, I got it in there. What's that? It's a Ruby Tooty, fresh and fruity. I'm gonna go and take this out and wash it and dry it, and then we'll be back. Thanks. Yo, what it do, people? And I'm back, fresh out the shower, washing it out, and it changed colors. It ain't all the way bleached up no more. It's this color. So, what you think, man? I don't know. I'm gonna leave it like this. I ain't gonna change it. I'm still gonna leave it like this. I like it like this. It was kind of like this before, but it wasn't as vibrant. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna just rock with it like this. For real. I'm gonna just let it slide like this. Anyway, this was the journey of dyeing tutorial on dyeing. I don't really know. Like I said, it's 2 scoops and then the whole developer of this developer, the whole thing. And it turned out like this. So yeah, I left it in for about half hour and boom, that's tuning in. And I'll see you next time when I go whether Super Saiyan Blonde or Jade or whatever's next, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna rock with it like this for now. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, checking me out, man, and yeah, love, man. This is the journey of the dreadlocks, man. Like I said, I only had them for 6 to 7 months. I had long hair before, but like I said, guys follow me, man, and just, you know what I mean, check in on your boy. I appreciate the love, man. 1.